Hi and welcome back to Crochet. We have 4 hexagon here. If you are following my channel, I have the tutorial on how to make this hexagon. I will put the link on the description below, or if you have any design of hexagon crochet, why not? Now we will connect this here, and then let's see what can we do about this 4 hexagons in front of us. Now I have a tip for you. Before you connect your anything, granny square or this hexagon, I would rather iron it first. So when you iron it, it's easy to point out every stitches, and it's easy to match it to other side. You know, when you're working on this, you will realize where's the best shot to do this, to connect this, you know. Okay, this is what happened. I'm surprised also how it looks like. So one hexagon here at the bottom, and then one here and left, and then one there. Can you see it? So when you fold it, it's like that, and it's like that. So, are you thinking the same what I am thinking? It's gonna be a shoulder bag. But let's just put single crochet all over this side. Okay, let's start here at the back. Maybe let's start here. Let's do a single crochet. Okay, single crochet, just single crochet all over here. Okay, this is what happened. I put one hexagon here, and then one here on top, and one to the right and one to the left. Just to just connect all this side, but just remember that both side in here, one at the bottom and both side in here, and one on top and nothing in here. Okay, and then when you close it, it looks like that. We are still working on all the sides, single crochet. I just want to show you, when you reach the chain space, what you will do, just make 2 single crochet there. 1, 2, and then continue. Okay, so that's the first row of our single crochet. Let's see how it looks like. Looks like that. Okay, since you see, it will affect the area here. What we will do is, okay, all around here, from here to here to here, we are going to make a slip stitch. And then when it comes to here in the cover, we will do double crochet here, double crochet here, slip stitch here. Okay. So let's do the slip stitch here. Put a mark where you started so you will not get confused. For me, I know where I started. Slip stitch. Okay, when we reach the cover, instead of slip stitch, I will use single crochet. Then at the end of this cover, I will go back. I will turn my work and go back and make another row of single crochet. I'll show you where are we now. We are here. We are here. See, I'm making this a little bit more wider. So after single crochet here, I turn my work and go back here, single crochet, and one more going back here, so we can continue we can close with where we started. Okay, when it comes to, okay, we need to go back now. Here, instead of, this is the end, instead of double crochet, I'll do slip stitch and then turn my work, and then no need for chain one, just continue single crochet in here. Why? Because you see, the shape will be like that instead of totally square. It's a little bit curved. I'll show you. You see, it's a little bit curved. Just continue, and okay, now that we have reached the end of it, I just need slip stitch here, and then just to finish. So how it looks like now, let's see. So it looks like an envelope. Yep. It can be a handbag, but it's so soft. It can be a shoulder bag or a body bag. So yeah, I did this 5 single crochet and then single crochet all around and slip stitch all around. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now it ended up as a body bag, crossbody bag, and here it's up to you how you want to close this. Put some lining and put some tools here to close the bag, or some like a velcro. It's up to you how you will do it. I'll show you the other one I made for a body bag. This is a granny square, so the shape is like this, but this one is a hexagon. 1 2 3 4 hexagon, and this one is 1 2 3 4 granny square. So that's the difference of the shape. So I hope you enjoy our tutorial, and thank you so much for staying with me, and we invented, or we realized, this shape unexpectedly. Thank you so much. Bye.